Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean page smears on an HP OfficeJet Pro 6830. This is nice and easy, can be done for the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. So, I'm going to drag the touchscreen along until setup is exposed. Press to go into that. We're going to go down this menu and go into printer maintenance. Now, the kind of print quality issues this solves is like when you see lines running down the length of your page top to bottom. It might be black or any other colour. It's where ink's got on the roller and it's just kind of dragging or smearing down the page as it goes. You can see the third option down here is clean page smears. And what your printer does is pull a sheet of paper into it and kind of moves it back and forth on the rollers. And the idea is it kind of like rubs and takes the ink off as the papers move in back and forth, hopefully getting rid of any excess that has got in there through leaking or being splashed up or just dripping from a cartridge onto the roller. Now with that done, I've got a perfectly clean page, but not gonna lie, I didn't have any smear issues to begin with. If you have, hopefully you're seeing a little bit of ink on that page, indicating that it's coming off of the roller. And you can repeat that process a couple of times if you wanted to. If, however, the page is clean, but when you print you're still getting print quality issues you can't quite nail down, I'd recommend taking a look at our video for printhead cleaning, which is the actually the top option on the screen I landed on. So you can give that a go, take a look at the test pages and kind of diagnose your issue further. If you've got a machine that's in better state than mine, it might also be worthwhile going into a line printhead, which is good for resolving like fine lines running down your page, or even kind of hazing around characters that have been produced. Things that look not quite right, but not necessarily like an absence of colour. But that's all there is to see here. Thank you for watching this far. If this has been useful for you, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.